In this video, we'll guide you through our online rental agreement process and provide instructions on how to print your parking passes. Let's get started. To begin, access your reservation within your email. Locate your reservation and click on it. You'll find our rental agreement. Review the terms and conditions carefully. Before you can sign electronically, you'll need to accept Adobe's terms and conditions. Don't worry, this is a simple one-time step process. With Adobe's terms accepted, it's time to begin signing electronically. Use your mouse or touchscreen to add your signature and initials where required. Please note that the rental agreement must be signed within 72 hours of receiving your email for full access to your contract. Be sure to sign all pages before completing. After signing each page, you will click to sign at the bottom. Once you've completed the electronic signature, you will receive a confirmation message assuring that your reservation is secure. You even have the option to download your rental agreement if you so choose. Now let's talk parking passes. After signing your rental agreement, you'll need to print your parking passes. Click on the provided link and follow the on-screen instructions. We kindly ask that you please print these before joining us, as there is no other way to obtain a pass except for coming in office during work hours only.